Have you ever wondered why some food products are recalled while others never reach the market? Because the problem was prevented in time. The answer is often HACCP. Welcome back to Quality Insights with Gaffoor. Let us get started. HACCP stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. It is a preventive food safety system. Instead of waiting for a food safety problem to occur, HACCP helps us identify possible hazards before they happen. Then it establishes control measures to prevent those hazards from affecting the safety of the final product. Simply put, HACCP prevents problems instead of correcting them later. That is the basic philosophy of HACCP. So now that we know what HACCP is, now let us understand why it is so important in the food industry. Imagine a beverage factory producing thousands of bottles every hour. If contamination is discovered after production, the company may have to hold the affected products, investigate the cause, or even recall products from the market. This can result in financial loss and damage to the company's reputation, and most importantly, a risk to consumer health. HACCP helps prevent this by identifying critical points where food safety must be controlled rather than reacting to problems. HACCP focuses on preventing them before they happen. To make this easier to understand, let us look at a simple practical example. Imagine a fruit juice is being pasteurized. Pasteurization destroys the harmful microorganisms only when the required time and temperature are achieved. But what happens if the temperature is too low? Some harmful microorganisms may survive. So HACCP identifies pasteurization as a critical control point or CCP. Operators continuously monitor the temperature. If the temperature falls below the required limit, immediate corrective action is taken. The affected product is isolated. Then the problem is investigated and the process is corrected before production continues. This simple example shows how HACCP protects consumers by controlling the food safety risks at the right stage of the process. Now let us briefly look at how HACCP is organized. HACCP is based on 7 internationally recognized principles. These principles help us identify hazards, determine critical control points, establish critical limits, monitor the process, take corrective actions, and verify that system is working effectively, and maintain proper records. Don't worry, We will discuss each principle one by one in the next videos of the HACCP series. Before we finish, let us summarize today's lesson. Today we learned that HACCP stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. It is a preventive food safety system that helps identify and control hazards before they become problems. Remember, good manufacturing practices or GMP provides the foundation and HACCP builds on that foundation to consistently produce safe food. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Quality Insights with Gaffoor. Also, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video when we will begin exploring HACCP principle 1 hazard analysis. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.